If you have shoulder pain and you have 5 minutes, try this quick shoulder pain relief combo to ditch the pain. So if you're a lifter, again, with shoulder pain, you don't have time for a full workout, you don't have time for a full rehab program, but your shoulder is screaming, I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute 2 exercise drill that can help relieve pain and loosen things up fast. Make sure if you're new here and you're not subscribed, you do that because I am dropping videos every week, maybe even twice a week for any kind of shoulder rehab, lifting, all the things. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Now, this isn't some generic bullshit. This is something I've used time and time and time and time again with my clients. It is a targeted set of movements that helps to fix your shoulder, ditch the pain, and helps to restore your shoulder mechanics. Again, this helps to calm pain down pretty daggum quick. So this is something that you can do before your workout, if you're at your desk, if you're dealing with pain in the middle of the night, like most of my lifters are. Here are the 2 exercises. 1, it is a subscap release. Okay, write that down. Second is a pec release. Okay, so I like doing these together as a bonus if you want to hit a little bit of a thoracic spine work, but we're going to focus on the 2. So I'm going to link those videos here. Okay, so you can see subscap release. Okay, this is what I'm doing. And then we can also see pec mash right here. Okay, so I like doing these 2 because it helps to open up the shoulder, helps to restore some of those mechanics, and it helps to calm down a lot of irritation in the shoulder. We can see improved mobility with your shoulder blade, with your shoulder in general, and helps to get some thoracic extension. These are things that help to ease the shoulder pain. Now, I'd be doing you a massive disservice if I said that these were the only 2 things you ever needed to do to ditch the pain. So I like to pair these with some exercises that will help to actually strengthen your shoulder in the new range of motion you just got. That way it stays nice and open in the position after we did the release work. Now, if you want to ditch the pain without taking time off the gym, here's what to do next. 1, make sure you subscribe. Okay, if you watch to the end of this video and I'm not dropping value and this isn't helpful, then don't subscribe, don't like it. That's fine, right? That's my bad for just not delivering value. But if you do get value from these, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, like this video because I drop new videos weekly and that will help save you months of frustration. Now, the second thing you can do, grab my free playbook for pain-free PRs down below, right? So if you want to lift pain-free, just go grab that. It's free. It's awesome. I spent a lot of time on it. And number 3, if you're ready to just cut through the noise, if you're tired of researching and saving every flippin' exercise post that comes across your feed on Instagram, if you're tired of searching for YouTube videos and you want a customized plan that actually gets to the root of your issue and you want to eliminate pain as fast as you possibly can while staying in the gym, and you want to work with me one-on-one directly, you can apply down below. There's a link. You go apply, schedule your free call to see if we're a good fit. Like I say in other videos, I don't work with everybody, but if we are a good fit, if I'm 1,000% certain that I can help you, I will help build you out a custom plan to ditch the pain and get you where you want to go. That's all I have for this one. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you in the next one.